try to bring my girls back with me in Petty Avenue. So I'm in the bathtub right now. I'm sorry for the bad angle. So I'm gonna put I already wet my hair. So that's done. And now I'm just gonna see what I should do. So now I'm just gonna brush my hair. So now I'm just gonna put my hair, most of my hair in a bonnet and let it just dry. But for now I'm just gonna get the coffee. So they didn't actually have any milk because someone had to go buy the milk and they never came back. So I rather got a green tea, a green matcha. Okay, I'm done with my with the bonnet, and now I'm just gonna diffuse my hair. So this is my hair after when I'm done, because I just styled it and diffused it, and now I'm done.